We're here in San Antonio, Texas, where the Alamo is at. This is the Alamo, guys. Beautiful.
Say hi to the camera, Danny.
What's up? Beautiful texture. Look at this. It's gorgeous. It's the closest I've ever gotten to the Alamo. Yeah. Beautiful. Look at that. So I've heard that 70% of this brick is original. Nice. Beautiful. San Antonio, baby. San Antonio. There you got the Lone Star flag. Look at that. Beautiful. It's a good 40 degrees weather. Beautiful. What's up? We got another. Look at that building there. Nice. Big buildings. Beautiful. Need to come over here with my kids. Uh-oh. What are the United States courthouse? Oh, look at that over there. We went up there earlier. 750 feet in the air. We were there earlier today. Real nice. Yep. Oh wow, what is this? Let's see. What is that?
It's me when I was lifting weights.
All these. Nice. Down the road, this is Alamo Road. Need to come here with my kids, take them to the Tomb Raider 3D, whatever they got up in here. See, what do they got up in here? Let's see. It's like a little roller coaster thing, dude. That's badass. I got you. Dude, this would be bad for my kids, man. I gotta come over here with my kids. They're gonna love this. They're gonna love that. And then you got Ripley's Haunted Adventure. Ooh, scary. Don't get scared now, Leroy. Snacks, wax hands. This is a Guinness World Record Museum. Nice. Yeah. The what? Nice.
We went up this big old tall elevator.
Oh, that's the biggest man or the tallest man ever lived.
We're right here at the Guinness World Records.
That guy was 8 feet 11 inches, almost 9 feet tall.
I'll whoop that guy's ass. Look, Grand Trolley Tour is cool.
The Grand Trolley Tours. Take them on that too. That'd be nice.
Donation station.
Oh, this is lovely.
Damn,
We're now at the San Antonio River Walk. Pretty nice. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that waterfall. Wee doggy. Leroy! Oh yeah, that's lovely. Hey, it's recording. Just press that button right there for it to take a picture. Leroy, sit down with them.
Hold on. It's recording.
Ready? No flash?
I don't need it. Can you see me in it?
Yeah, kind of.
You just look like dark shadow there.
Oh, I did.
You got him on video.
What's up? I know you did. Ooh. Real nice, real wild. This is great. Look here, what water is. I got shoes that the water will go right through my shoes. If I had like boots, I would do it, but I don't want to. Why not? Huh? Oh look, the water goes all the way down over there. Yeah. Beautiful.
I like talking.
Huh? Are you on the phone with your girl? What?
Yeah, wait.
Órale. Nice. There's no way around this? Oh look, this is nice. What is that? Oh, I think this whole time it wasn't even recording, dude. We're inside. Where were we? Like at a mall? That water just keeps going down here. Ooh, wow, what is that? Oh, look. The badass. The rocks, right? The bar. Anyway, bro.
And it's hot and humid.
Oh, hey! British pub. What? Leroy. Don't get lost, way. Como quiera, güey. Nah, kid. Wow. Look, Houston Street. Boom. Take us right back home.
Wait, you right here,
What happened to all the lights? They're supposed to have like these lights, aren't they?
Yeah, turn it on.
Oh, it's a clap on, clap off thing?
No, it's a gas one.
No, like there's supposed to be lights hanging down from the trees. Oh, check out these trees, dude.
Right here on the left side of me, where the boat picks you up.
Huh? Yeah, the boat would be nice to get on that.
Guess I'll just go through this ladder.
This is where all the restaurants and the bars are at. Oh, this is where Dick's is at, dude. No shit, I saw the sign, way. I would too. Oh man, that's bad. Well, it's called Dick's for a reason, dude. She's being rude to you because that's what her job is.
That's even worse than what I said, man.
Right?
Should've just left it alone, you're right.
Yeah.
Talk to me. Talking. Saying something.
Oh, shit, I forgot what you
Is that there are cops over there or what? Whoa. Oh, I think this is where Selena. No, not where she died, but.
Yeah, she did over that bridge. That bitch fell in the water.
You see that bridge? Man, pause. One on the bridge. Hey, look, Leroy's the one that knows more about this. Leroy.
What?
Was this where Selena was sitting down with, what's his name?
I think so. This is the only one I see.
And then that's where that song goes, how does that song go, Leroy?
Which one?
I don't know, it's a Selena song. You're more fanatic than I am.
Dreaming of you?
Dreaming of you.
Sing it, Leroy.
I don't know the whole words, but I'll put the video. I'll put the song on.
Not sing it.
Nah, hombre.
I don't know how to sing it.
Make us laugh.
You can put the song on.
Funny
What did that
guy,
girl
You can put the song on.
What did that girl tell you then? What'd you tell her?
Well, they really dicks in here and go, why don't you go in there and find out yourself? It's like,
These
dang,
buildings are nice.
And that's because she doesn't even work there.
bitch. That's an enforcement.
How much do you think a night is on these hotels? Like 150? About 150 right at night? But I think it's well worth it though. You know? You bring your lady here, or soon to be lady, walk around the river walk, you know, have yourself a little romantic walk, you know. Serenade her. I bet you nowadays people don't do that kind of stuff, man. For their women. This is where Selena sat down with what's his name?
Chris?
With Chris. Look, there's a Hard Rock Cafe. We passed it, dude. I knew there was a Hard Rock Cafe. Here. Look, Hard Rock Cafe. Right over there. Hard Rock Cafe. Yeah. Yellow.